This is how to set up and resync your Samsung Watch 5 Pro after getting a replacement Samsung phone.
You'll notice that my watch, my Galaxy Watch, threw up and said it wanted to reset and sync to the new phone. Now, the watch, I'm going to connect it because I have a new phone now. It says confirm. The number on there matches that. So now the new phone and the watch are talking while all that stuff is organizing in the background. Okay, and now the phone is 100% done. As far as the watch interaction. Now it has to get the watch ready. All right, now it wants me to sign into Google. Okay, and I'm just going to go with the normal installed devices. Sure. Yeah, I want the same look I had before. Restore it. Oh, that's not good. Wait for smart switch to finish what it's doing. Okay, so there is an issue. You really shouldn't do this watch thing, I guess, until it's gone through all of its other stuff. So it's just saying that once Switch is done with its thing, then come back and do this. Fine. 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 Now, this was a pain before when I first got the watch because it was a business account and there was some deal here. So there's actually two plans on here. I think I have to use the second one. See if that takes, but one of the plans didn't work and they had to set up a new business account or something. It was a whole ordeal. Okay, now it says you're all set. It says starting. Let's see what the watch says here. Okay, it says data transfer complete. Fine. Skip the tour. All right, so see, that's not the way I want it. That is not the right setup. So let's try this again. Now that Smart Switch is done, let's see if it's got everything in memory that it can go fix my watch now. There we go. That's what I want. Getting closer. I'm going to wait until this gets done, and then you'll have to do the number sync again, I believe, to get it talking to your phone properly. Basically, the number sync allows the watch to make and receive calls by itself, even if you don't have your phone on you. But I'm going to let it restore first. Okay, done. And now I want to set it up. Check your phone, and it goes right to number sync automatically. So the watch now has to get the number sync. It generates it somehow magically. That guy. And there's your code. So I'm going to sync the watch. Agree. And there's the code from there. Continue it. And it is now synced. Beautiful. Okay. All right, so everything should be good now.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel below and let's celebrate turning fuel and air into adrenaline.